All right, y'all, as you can see, I'm just combining a stick of butter with brown sugar, some sweetened condensed milk, and this is some flaky sea salt into my pan here. I am just gonna get this all whipped up and mixed together. This is gonna be part of our super easy and delicious dessert we're making today that I think y'all are really gonna love. Alrighty, now that we've got this all combined, I'm just gonna take this off my heat and I'll show you what I'm doing next. Alrighty, y'all, we're ready for our next step. I'm just bringing in a bowl here. We have got a cup of flour, coming in with 2 teaspoons of our baking powder, not to be confused with baking soda. I'm putting in a dash of sea salt here, freshly ground. Now I'm using my pure cane sugar, 3/4 of a cup of that. And now I am just gonna eyeball my spices. I'm gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Ooh, I like the smell of that. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. I'm gonna go a little bit light on that one because it's strong for me. All right, y'all, I am mixing this all together. I cannot wait to show you what else we're putting into this. It is gonna be so tasty. Alrighty, I have got 1/2 cup of crushed pineapple. I drained out most of the juice. 1/2 cup of applesauce. I just like these little individual guys for stuff like this. I've got 1/4 cup melted unsalted butter. You can use salted. I'm just giving this a little whip up to get that butter incorporated with our other ingredients before I just plop 1/4 cup of milk in here. That should be good. Perfect. We're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Perfect. All right, guys, here's the fun part. I'm coming in with my food processor and I'm gonna be adding my carrot chips to this. You can grate carrots if you'd like. I'm just using the chips because I had some left over in my fridge. My lid on here and perfect. You just want these to get grated up. That looks good. Look at that, guys. So easy. Grab this off of here. Bring back in my wet ingredients. And we're just gonna need 1 cup of this grated carrot. That looks perfect to me. All right, let's just give these all a good mixy mix. Guys, this is one of my favorite breakfasts. I know some might say this is a dessert, but I think it could be either. Now that I've got all my dry ingredients combined, I am just adding my wet with that applesauce, that pineapple, crushed pineapple, and our grated carrots. This is gonna go so well with all those spices that we have in here. Now, there's no eggs in this. You can use a different recipe with eggs. I just thought I would give this one a try because it was highly regarded. And, you know, some people don't like eggs. I do. I have nothing wrong with them. I think this is gonna be delicious either way, though. Alrighty, y'all. I am ready to pour my batter into my greased baking dish here. Look at this. Smells so good. I gotta say, like, carrot cake is the pumpkin bread of the spring. You know what I mean? Falls for pumpkin. I love pumpkin. Love it, love it, love it. It's my absolute favorite. And then you got her sister, carrot, in the spring. I'm just gonna give this a little spread. All right, setting this aside for just a second here. We're gonna need 1/3 cup of white sugar. Looks good. 1/3 cup of a light brown sugar. And we're gonna want 1/3 cup of pecan pieces. I'm just kind of breaking these up because they were half pecans. I mean, you can leave them half, you can leave them whole, you can break them up. Totally up to you. We're gonna need 1/3 cup of this, and I am just gonna eyeball that. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm just gonna give this a little stir, you guys. I didn't have anything handy here. I'm using my butter knife, but I think it's gonna get the job done. What do you think, Andrew? Is it okay?
It's looking great.
Okay, great. Oh, see a little white sugar on the bottom there. All right, guys, listen. I'm gonna be crumbling this with my hand anyway. So I just thought I'd mix this, give it a good mix with the utensils God gave me. And we are gonna crumble this topping right on top here, y'all. Ooh, wow. That looks really good. Oh my gosh. Edge to edge. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Amazing. All right. All right, guys, I have 1 cup here of hot water. We're just going to drizzle this over our topping. Perfect. I am gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Alrighty, guys. Our beautiful spring cake is ready. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Now y'all might remember this brown butter sauce that we started off with. And I am just gonna drizzle that brown sugar butter sauce right on top. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. Now you could poke holes in this. You could do kind of whatever you want to get it down into our cake. Oh yeah. This is gonna be the good. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wow. You know, carrot cake, of course, great for the spring, but really perfect for any time of year. Let me just pop myself out. Oh, a piece there. Oh my gosh, that brown butter is really, looks incredible. Oh my God, I cannot wait to have a bite of this. You can see the texture of our carrot cake there. It looks perfect. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so good. You've absolutely got to try this.